everyone. You can hear a helicopter behind me. Yes, this is the beautiful harbor of Hong Kong. It's the Victoria Harbor, and here is the one side you can see in the background is where there is a lot of beautiful halls and where there's a lot of things happening there in Hong Kong. You know, when you see the big events are all held in this beautiful building. So if you can hear me better, I'll put it like this so that the microphone you can hear much better. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe or share this video with other people that you think might be of benefit. And I thank you so much. Let's begin. So for today's topic, I want to talk to you more about the law of attraction. Yes. So there's a lot of things going on that people talk about the law of attraction, about how to attract good things in life, and basically, to become successful, quote unquote. There's a great way to do that. Of course, the best way is always to be what we have heard about working hard. But there's of course a caveat about it. Some people work so hard and they never get by. So it's also better to work smart than to work hard. So both is needed, I will always say. Don't only think about, okay, I have to work smart, so I read a book about, for example, a great book, 4 hours work week. So that means I need to only outsource stuff. No, that doesn't mean that you have working smart, okay, in a direct sense. A little bit, but you need to also work hard. Otherwise, success is not easy to obtain. So today I give you 3 ways about the law of attraction. Number 1 is gratitude. Number 2 is give. And number 3 is basically get, so to receive. So the 3 G's. Okay. So the law of attraction basically has a lot of things in that you can do. So the first one is you need to have gratitude. Whenever you start in life, you have to be grateful that things happen to you now. For example, when you wake up in the morning, in my previous video, I shared with you that you need to basically say thank you. So thank you to whoever, God, that you awakened. Thank you to your mom or dad that has brought up you so far. Even thank you your siblings, to be there to test your limits, your colleagues, your friends, and all those other people that you have to be grateful about. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is you try to basically give. Yes, so it doesn't have to be. When people say about give, there's a lot of things that is misleading about this one. People always say the more you give, the more you receive. That's true. So one of the things that I think about, and most of the time, is even though you don't have money to give to other people, you can give your time. That's the most precious asset in the world, and then also do the things that you want to help people, like volunteer work, okay? And that is the most really rewarding one, because when you do volunteer work, you're basically giving back the most precious thing to the world, and that's your time. So one of the way also when you see, especially when people see young kids as well, and they smile, the young kids smile back to you. Even though the kids doesn't have money, but when the smile of a baby or anyone to you, you're gonna feel so much happier and much more open because of the smile alone. So even smiling is a form of giving. So okay, the more you smile, also kindness of people, and also complimenting other people. So when you see really something that capture your imagination, like when you went to a store and the cashier, etc., you say, hey, the hair is done very well, and you never done this hair before. And you say, hey, your hair looks very nice. Give a compliment. They're gonna see you light up other people's day. Okay, so compliment is also important. So giving can be a lot of ways to do that. And the third one is get, of course, receiving. So whatever you want, believe that you already have it. What I mean about that is because you have to truly believe it. You have to see it, basically. Basically say, yeah, I'll see it and then I'll believe it. No. You have to believe it, then you'll see it, okay? It's very important to twist it around, because because if you think I want to see it first, then I believe it, it's not true. You have to believe it first, then you can see it. An example, for example, there's actually a bridge over there, right? It's a beautiful bridge. And the only way for an architect to build that bridge is he has to believe that he can do it in his mind first. But people cannot see it in his mind because it's his mind. But he can see it already, how he wants to construct the bridge. And then he has to draw it down, like what the architect did, and then build it. And then people can then see it. So that's why it's very important to believe first before you can see it, and not see it and then believe it. Okay? So that's very important. Another part that I wrote here is basically you have to imagine it and feel as it's real. The reason is because, as you all know, the mind doesn't know the difference between reality and what is imagined. That's very important. So what is reality is basically your perception also. Because the imagination, let's give an example. Sometimes if you watch a video, you go to a movie or a cinema, you're not going to sit there and say, oh, this is fake. Look, it's just a projector and there's on the wall and then, the light shine on it and it's not real. Yes, it's not real in a literally sense, but when you watch a movie, you're not going to do that. Otherwise, you will not enjoy it. So then you just sit back and relax and just imagine that you're in the movie, and that's the reason in that situation you become wow, this feels so real. So when you feel it, you imagine it that it's real, it becomes real. So that's why it's so important to start with the perspective about feeling that it's real. Imagination, like I said, again, the brain, the mind, or whatever you want to call it, doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. So that's why you can start manifesting yourself, things that you want, from the inside out, not from the outside in. So once again, the law of attraction is basically what we can say the 3 G's is the first, the one that's very important. All right, is gratitude. The second one is to give, and the third one is then to get or to receive. Okay, good luck everyone, and all in all, you can see it's a beautiful harbor here in Hong Kong. One of the police boat is leaving now. I'm going to show you. It's awesome, and that's why I can share with you. You can enjoy this video. This back screen of mine. Yeah, the police boat is leaving now. And that's this beautiful harbor in Hong Kong. Hong Kong welcomes you. So if you have the time or the inclination to stop by Hong Kong, please come over and enjoy the food, the people, and also the area around you. Alright, cool. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel or share this video with people that you would like to inspire as well. Thank you so much. Bye.